Alrighty guys, it's that time again. We're going to be opening up another one of these sealed vintage kits, as you can see. Still got its plastic on there. This is the Lamborghini Miura, and I bet y'all didn't know MPC made one of these. I certainly didn't until I saw it. I traded for this one probably 20 years ago. It's just been kind of hiding in the back of the closet all this time. But that's the trend right now, is to open these things up. And I am a builder and not a collector, and the only reason why I was leaving them sealed was to try to protect the decals. But now I have gone the route of the Ziploc bags, so let's see what's in these. Let's look at this box. There is a look at the model. At the box. That's what it looks like. It does have an engine, so this is good. I don't know how good it really looks. And your white decals. This around. Here's the classic look. As you can see, you're definitely going to have to do a wash on those wheels. But this kit is from 1979, which makes it, 40 something, 43 years old, and it is MPC Fun Dimensions. Anyway, that's about enough of that. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, and it was $3.99. And so the goal in opening these is to find out what you actually have. And I want to know what I have instead of assuming that this thing has everything that's supposed to be in there. Whatever. Alright. Not opening easily. There we go. So, let's make sure we got tires, and make sure we don't have tires on the windshield. Make sure we have a chrome tree. Oh, look at this. It is not chromey chrome. It is that kind of satin chrome. Makes it look more like aluminum. So we do have the chrome tree, for sure. We've got a loose tire there. Not a good sign, not a good sign. This is back before they put everything in their separate bags. The body. And it has fought a war in that box over the years. Interesting. It has an engine, yet the engine is covered there. I guess might have to do some cutting. Interesting. Anyway, so we do have a parts bag. And then in here we've got a bunch of loose tires. Good looking tires. Windshield. Does not particularly look like it had a tire on. There's something there. I'll be able to see that better in the editor. Looks like your average scratches and scrapes. One headlight. Guess I wonder where they... Oh, that's the other one. Okay. decals, just wide white stripes. They're a little yellowed. Give it a little time in the window in this sunlight, and that should whiten it right up. Oh, interesting. Okay, so we do have the, let me just dump it all out. Oops, still stuff in there. Okay, now it's all back out. And then we'll just pan the camera down. So what we have there is the headlight covers. And let's look at those. Tires. What does it say? Goodyear. Good looking tires. And so on. But I am going to pause the camera for a second, open up that bag, spread some stuff out, open up the instructions, and see what they're talking about with the engine and the unopened back deck. Let's see. Alrighty, there you go. That explains that whole engine thing. It does not have an engine. It has a top of an engine. And so I guess it's meant to just be barely seen through the louvers. Are the louvers even open? Yeah, they're open. But who knows, maybe there's enough there that you could detail it and cut the hatch to open so that you could see that a little better, but that's a little misleading. It would have been really nice to have the correct engine. Otherwise, it's just go through the parts here. I'll give you a look at the seats. I'll flip that over. Those are nice seats. And over here is the underside of the car, and that's got really good detail. And right there is the dash. Looks like you gotta paint in those speedometers. Good luck there. This big thing looks like a battery tray, doesn't it? Like maybe this at some point was a battery operated toy. Oh, this is interesting. The trophy. And a helmet. And a wing. Well, it is what it is. It's not the most detailed thing in the world, but gosh, you know, I think you could make it look pretty good. That wraps it up. That's all it is. We're just opening these things, getting the decals in a Ziploc, and now I know that this kit is complete. It's a little disappointing, but it's complete. And that's it. Nothing else. See ya.